Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today, we're skipping the usual Polish hotspots and heading somewhere truly special. Forget Warsaw and Krakow. Let's talk about Kielce, a city where history is carved into the landscape and every street has a story. Here, nature and architecture collide. Ancient palaces, geological wonders, and vibrant city life. I'm about to show you 7 must-visit spots that will put Kielce at the top of your travel list. First up, we arrive at the jaw-dropping Kielce Nature Reserve, a place that truly lives up to its reputation as the rocky heart of Kielce. From above, you can see how this unique landscape stands out, right in the middle of the city, a dramatic contrast to the urban surroundings. Once a bustling limestone quarry, Kielce has been transformed into a breathtaking natural wonder. Today, it's a dramatic landscape of towering cliffs, deep ravines, and mysterious caves, nature's own art gallery carved over millions of years. The limestone rocks here are not just beautiful, they're a window into the region's ancient geological past, shaped by time and the elements. Visitors can walk the scenic trails that wind through the reserve, each step revealing new perspectives and hidden corners. For the adventurous, guided tours take you deep inside the cave system, where you can marvel at intricate rock formations and underground chambers. The exposed rock layers here tell stories that stretch back hundreds of millions of years, offering a fascinating glimpse into the Earth's history. But the real showstopper is the open-air amphitheater, ingeniously nestled among the rocks. This unique venue hosts concerts, festivals, and cultural events, all set against the dramatic backdrop of the cliffs. Imagine enjoying live music under the stars, surrounded by the echoes of ancient stone. It's an experience you won't soon forget. Beyond its geological wonders, Kielce is also a haven for rare plants and wildlife. The reserve is home to unique species that thrive among the rocks and crevices, making it a true urban oasis for nature lovers and curious explorers alike. Whether you're a geology buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply someone who loves a spectacular view, Kielce offers something for everyone. It's a place where you can relax, take in the scenery, and snap unforgettable photos with a truly unique backdrop. As the sun sets and the rocks glow in the evening light, Kielce reveals its wild, ancient spirit. It's the perfect introduction to Kielce's untamed side, timeless, vibrant, and absolutely unforgettable. Next, step into the opulent world of the Palace of the Krakow Bishops, a place where history, art, and architecture come together in spectacular fashion. Nestled in the heart of Kielce, this grand residence was once the home of powerful bishops who shaped the region's destiny. Today, it stands as a testament to their influence and refined taste, inviting visitors to experience its timeless beauty. This Baroque masterpiece is one of Poland's best-preserved palaces, with stunning symmetry and grand towers that rise above the city skyline. Its elegant facade, adorned with intricate details, reflects the wealth and ambition of its original inhabitants. As you approach, the palace's harmonious proportions and stately presence are sure to leave a lasting impression. Wander through the meticulously manicured gardens, where every path and flower bed is designed to delight the senses. Inside, you'll discover lavish interiors, filled with priceless art, ornate painted ceilings, and portraits of Polish nobility that tell stories of power, prestige, and tradition. Each room reveals a new layer of the palace's rich past. The palace now houses a branch of the National Museum, where visitors can admire an impressive collection of Polish painting, decorative arts, and historical artifacts. From centuries-old masterpieces to rare objects that once belonged to the bishops themselves, the museum offers a fascinating glimpse into Poland's artistic and cultural heritage. It's not just a museum, it's a walk through centuries of culture and craftsmanship. Every corner reveals exquisite details, from gilded woodwork to delicate tapestries, showcasing the skill of artisans who helped create this magnificent residence. Visitors can truly feel the echoes of history in every room. The Palace of the Krakow Bishops is a feast for the eyes and a must for any history lover. Whether you're drawn by its architectural splendor, its art collections, or its tranquil gardens, This palace promises an unforgettable journey into Poland's regal past and vibrant culture. Now, to the spiritual heart of Kielce, the Cathedral Basilica of the Assumption. With roots in the 12th century, this cathedral is a blend of Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque styles. Step inside for a dazzling display of gold, frescoes, and a breathtaking main altar. Don't miss the Gothic triptych and the treasury's priceless liturgical art. Beyond the beauty, there's a profound sense of peace, a living place of worship and reflection. It's a sanctuary of art, faith, and history, simply beautiful. If you are enjoying the video so far, please make sure to like and subscribe to the Destination Perfect channel for more travel videos like this. Looking for an adventure that's both interactive and educational? Make your way to Geopark Kielce, where science and excitement go hand in hand. This isn't just a place to look at rocks behind glass. Here, you'll become part of the story. Geopark Kielce is far from your typical museum. It's a hands-on journey that takes you through an astonishing 500 million years of Earth's geological history. Every exhibit is designed to spark curiosity, inviting you to touch, play, and discover. The Center of Geoeducation uses cutting-edge multimedia, immersive VR experiences, and real fossils to make the distant past feel vivid and real. Imagine holding a replica of a creature that lived before the dinosaurs, or watching tectonic plates shift beneath your feet. Step into a virtual world and dive into a prehistoric sea, surrounded by ancient marine life. The simulations are so lifelike, you'll feel like you're swimming alongside creatures from another era. When you head outdoors, the adventure continues. Follow the geotrails winding through the park, where you can spot real ancient fossils embedded in the rocks and learn how the landscape was shaped over millions of years. Geopark Kielce makes learning a true adventure for visitors of all ages. Whether you're a curious child or a lifelong learner, there's something here to inspire everyone. The park also connects you to the unique geological landscape of Kielce, revealing the secrets hidden beneath your feet and offering breathtaking views of rock formations shaped by time. For families, science lovers, and adventurers alike, Geopark Kielce is an unforgettable experience. Dive in and discover a world beneath the surface. You won't want to miss it. Time to experience modern Kielce on Sienkiewicz Street. This lively pedestrian boulevard is the city's social hub, lined with cafes, shops, and beautiful architecture. Grab a coffee and a Polish donut, people watch, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. As evening falls, the street buzzes with energy, perfect for dining or a night out. Sienkiewicz is where locals and visitors mingle, and where you'll feel the city's pulse. It's the perfect place to unwind and connect with Kielce's contemporary spirit. Next, unleash your inner child at the Museum of Toys and Play. Housed in a charming old market building, it's one of Poland's largest toy museums. Explore rooms filled with dolls, model trains, vintage cars, and folk toys from every era. Interactive exhibits invite kids and adults to play, not just look. It's a joyful, nostalgic journey through the universal language of play. A quirky, heartwarming stop that's fun for all ages. For our final stop, escape to Świętokrzyski National Park in the ancient Holy Cross Mountains. Hike forest trails, climb Łysa Góra, once a site of pagan rituals and now crowned by a Benedictine monastery. The views from the top are breathtaking, and the forests are alive with legend and tranquility. Discover stone runs, rivers of boulders from the Ice Age, and breathe in the magic of Poland's wild heart. It's the perfect, peaceful finale to your Kielce adventure.
That's Kielce, a city of surprises, stories, and soul. From ancient rocks to lively streets, from palaces to playgrounds, it's a destination that rewards curiosity. If you're after something authentic and off the beaten path, Kielce is calling. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I'm off for a Polish donut. Cheers! See you in Kielce. End.